If you love cheesecake but hate turning on the oven, this is for you. These are 3-ingredient no-bake cheesecake bars with a sweet salty pretzel crust, and they slice up like a bakery dessert. You only need 3 things: pretzels, full-fat cream cheese, and sweetened condensed milk. That's it. No oven, no butter, and no whipped topping. First, line an 8x8 pan with parchment. Leave a little overhang so you can lift the whole thing out later for clean, perfect slices. Crush your pretzels super fine. The finer the crumbs, the tighter your crust is going to hold together. Now add just a few spoonfuls of condensed milk to the pretzel crumbs and mix. You want a damp sand look that holds together when you press it. Press it down really firmly, especially in the corners. This one step is the difference between clean bars and crumbly squares. Pop the crust in the freezer for about 10 minutes while we make the filling. It sets up fast and makes spreading way easier. Beat softened cream cheese for a minute or 2 until it's totally smooth. Don't rush this. If there are lumps now, they'll be there later. Pour in the rest of the condensed milk and mix just until it looks silky and glossy, smooth, thick, and super creamy. Spread the filling right over your chilled crust, then smooth the top. This is the part where it starts looking like a real dessert. Now the hardest part: chill it for at least 6 hours. Overnight is even better if you want those sharp, sliceable edges. Lift it out with the parchment and slice. Pro tip: dip your knife in hot water, wipe it dry, and cut. Your bars will look bakery level. That sweet salty pretzel crust with the creamy cheesecake layer is seriously addictive. For the full recipe, exact amounts, and extra tips, check the link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.